All right, back we go. It is Sunday, September 26th. Market will be back tomorrow, back in action. Looking at some stocks, some swing trades, maybe some day trade ideas. Let's look at BBIG, Vinco Ventures. Let's look back at this stock. This came about 2018, was up near that 11, almost 12 level, and then came down 2019, 2020. Pretty much a wedge here. Then it had this weird spike up and it didn't hold, went all the way back to line, came back to the 4 line, dumped again, went all the way down to this candle, 111 January 2021. And then another weird pop up. Look at this move all the way to 9 plus. Then you had some bounces back and forth. June, we bounced again to 5, near 6 line, came down, pretty much a channel, tight channel, and then it exploded up with this volume. Look at the volume, biggest volume it's seen in, since this came about, this stock. All right, we are at, back in August, they're at 3, and then we had a crossover 13 EMA over 20 EMA. Look at these candles, massive big candles. And then we reached 12 plus was the high in this. 1249 came back. And now this is why I like this stock. It's forming a falling wedge, one of my favorite patterns. After a big move up, coming down, they push it down really hard. It's at a 789 stochastics. Let me bring this up. So it says 789 stochastics, very oversold. It's very ready to cross over, possibly. See it's bending here. As far as retracement level, you can see it 100%. Here's at 61, 50% retracement levels. Caught between 38.2 and 50. So it was up near 1249, came back to 626, where we're at now. Let's look at the weekly. There's the weekly here. Yeah, like 3 big candles up. Now we're having 2 down. Now it's just kind of weird chart. It crossed here, came back, crossed here, and then it's going to cross over up, or is it going to come back down more? If it pulls back, look at this 550 level to 5. That's where the 1320 EMA is in the weekly. The monthly, you're still been going since 2021. You're like making the lows are getting higher and higher right here. See this? So that's a good sign. You're pretty far away from the 1320 EMA on the monthly, so we'll see how that plays out. But as far as coming up recently, here it is, the wedge. You're getting very tight. This is pushed down. When something's pushed down that far, that's a good sign, that eventually it's going to go sideways and break back up. Now, when these do break back up, doesn't mean it's going to go back up to the top. This could go halfway. This could go 7, 8, 9 level. Targets, look for 12, look for this 8 or 9 level possibly. 470 million market cap. Insiders in 13%. I don't see the float on FinViz. September 21st, Vinco Ventures and Immersive Entertainment launches first NFT streaming movie soundtrack. Score produced by Grammy winners. What else do they have here? Anything here? Excuse me. I don't see anything else on here. All right. This is how it looks like it's going to play out then. Technically, here's the move up, move back. How far down? We'll just keep going a little bit more. This is going to touch that 5 level, 32.82 fibs right here, 550. Even if it comes down even a slightly more, you're going to get a good bounce with this. This is very oversold here. And it's forming probably a new base after this big move up. It's not going to come straight back down. I doubt that. It's going to stop soon, either sideways or make a big move up, maybe possibly with news. So this is one to keep an eye on. This looks like a very good possible swing on BBIG, Vinco Ventures. And you can see the move from here. What was this at? 221 and went to 12 plus. It's like a $10 move. That's what you want on swings. You can get $3, $4, $5, $10. That's pretty amazing. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to my Cayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Leave comments on stock. Any information you might have always helps. Check out my links below. Instagram, Twitter, stock twits. Trust Zone VPN. Check that out. And that's it for now. We're out. Peace.